building very quickly an entire empire on gluten and allergen conscious cooking. Two really special people that I've worked with and that I've gotten to know over the past year, Paul and Chrissy Jensen of the Dotted Line, located just outside of Nashville, Tennessee, in a town called Columbia, where they're building very quickly an entire empire on gluten and allergen conscious cooking. Chrissy Jensen just passed the CEPC, completely gluten free. And if I'm not mistaken, it's the first time anybody's done that. So between her and her husband, Paul, they're going to introduce us to a bit of their process in how they've developed some amazing recipes, some amazing mixes that they now offer as well. Those mixes allow you to produce incredible pancakes. Those mixes allow you to produce great examples of brownies and pies and cakes without saying first, it's gluten-free. They're good cakes that happen to be gluten-free. They're great cookies that happen to be gluten-free. And how they got there is a beautiful story. I would really love to share their story with you, which is why they're joining us on the Craft Mastery Summit, because I feel that that path to mastery requires curiosity, requires passion, and it requires the willingness to take things a step further. For them, necessity pushed them a little bit further down that path, but that's a good thing. And especially for them, it's building them into a lucrative business.